This time on Road and Race, I sort out a few quick jobs on the S2000. Previously in this series, I removed the ruined front and rear bumpers, fixed up the damage, and gave them a respray. In this episode, I'm crossing a few quick jobs off my list by addressing the cloudy front headlights, repainting the wipers, cleaning up the front bumper parts, and bringing back the shine to these crusty exhaust tips. Front headlights have gone a bit dull, a bit cloudy, which isn't great, is it? Really ruins the look of the front of the car, doesn't it? So, if they're really far gone, it involves wet sanding and buffing, but I don't think they're that bad. I'm going to try some Plastic X, which has worked well for me in the past. Give that a go, because that's a quick fix if I can get these looking nice and shiny with just this. Otherwise, it's getting out the sandpaper. Yeah, look at that. Turns out they weren't too bad. It's come up nice and shiny now. A quick win, lovely. As you can see, the paint on the wipers has worn off, so they could do a quick respray. So I'm just going to put a line of tape over here so that I know where they sit. So when I replace them, I can get them back in the right place. And I think it's just one bolt under each to take it off. Now that they're clean, they're looking a lot better. So next step is to rub all this down, try to get this nice and smooth so that when we paint it, we don't see all these horrible bobbly bits. Here they are, ready for masking up and paint. I used an 80, then a 240 and a 400 grit paper just to get all the rough bits off, then to smooth it down, then to give it a bit of a key. Here are some more bits off the front bumper. They're not looking their best, so I'm going to give them a quick clean up so they are, and then maybe a bit of paint if needs be. Now a job I've been looking forward to quite a lot, cleaning up these exhaust tips. For this, I'm using a drill with a wire attachment. I don't know, there's just something deeply satisfying about cutting through all this dirt and crust on here. So, exhaust tip looking much better. But to make it super shiny, a bit of metal polish. Just a quick little show this week. Next time I'm going to be attempting to repair the tear in the driver's seat myself and addressing the state of these rather tatty alloy wheels. So as usual, thanks for watching.